Okay, looking at how we can work out the equation of a straight line from 2 points now. So this is where it gets a little bit trickier. So first of all, I need to work out the gradient, and then once I've got the gradient, to work out what my y-intercept is, we're going to use this formula and solve for y. So where y1 and x1 are from our points, the gradient is what we work out, and then the y and the x that we have in our final equation. So we're going to take these 2 points here, 9, 10, and 12, 22. Okay, first of all, let's work out our gradient. So I've got m equals, so the difference in the y values, so 22 minus 10, all over the difference in the x values, so 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. So that gives us 12 on 3, which is 4. So gradient of 4. So now as I use this formula here, so our point 9 and 10 before we used as our x1, y1. In reality, it doesn't matter. I could substitute in this second point as well. I'm just going to choose 9 and 10 because you've got slightly smaller numbers. So this 9 goes in to that x1. So that's going to go in there. And then for y1 for that 10, it's going to pop in there. So as I do that substitution, I get y minus 10 equals 4, and then x minus 9. So here I want to solve for y. So we can solve this by hand, or we can get our CAS calculator out and solve it for us. So as I get out my calculator, so we're going to use our best friend, menu, algebra, solve. So as I pop that in, y minus 10 equals 4, x minus 9. Solving for y here gives us our rule. So we've got y equals 4x minus 26. Now, another way we can do this, while also using our CAS, is by doing a linear regression. So if I want to do a linear regression, so I'm going to open up a new page, go list and spreadsheet. For my columns, I'll call it XX and YY. The reason is if I just choose X by itself, it will ask for if I want the column or not, or the actual letter reference. So XX gets rid of that problem. So as I put in my values, so I got 9 and 10, and then 12, 22. Doing a linear regression, so as you can remember, menu, statistics, stat calculations, and then linear regression. So my X list will be that XX, my Y list will be that YY. Everyone else is happy, pressing OK, we get our values here. So A here, so remember A is your intercept, so yeah, I've got negative 26, and then B is my slope, so that's 4. So negative 26 and 4, and that's what I've got here, negative 26 and 4. So that's how we can work out our equation from 2 points, by hand and using our calculator.